everyone. How are you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. This video is a Sips by unboxing video, but a different type of unboxing. This is one of their specialty boxes. Let me just quickly run down what Sips by is in case I have people watching this video that haven't seen any of my previous videos on this box. Sips by is a personalized tea discovery subscription box. It's $15 per month and there's free shipping in the United States. Sips by works with over 150 global tea brands, so you're getting teas from all over the world, really unique teas and probably a lot of teas that you've never tried before. The way Sips by normally works for their regular subscription box is that you fill out a very in-depth quiz. You can find it on their website. I'll link their website down in my description box. And then after you fill out this quiz, Sips by actually uses an algorithm that kind of analyzes the answers to the questions that they ask you, and that kind of becomes your baseline TIQ, personalized just for you. And then the people actually at Sips by, before they send out those teas, look over everything just to make sure that the teas that they're sending you are the teas that they know you'll love. Love this tea subscription box company, but this is not their normal box. If you go on the Sips by website, you'll see at the top there's an area where you can shop. So if you click on the tea box area, it'll take you to all their specialty boxes. There's an area on the Sips by site that is specifically for gifts for mom, for Mother's Day, and they have several different boxes. The box I'm going to show you today is the one called Moment for Mom. And you can get these tea boxes a lot of different ways. You can pay just $15 and get one box, or if you want to, you can give it as a gift to yourself or someone else. I believe there's a 3-month, a 6-month, and a 12-month Sips by box gift card that you can get. Let me show you the teas that are in this box. There are 4 types of teas. So I'm really excited about this box. Let me get to the unboxing. I will show you everything I got in the box, and then I will pick one of the teas, as always, to steep on my channel and give it kind of a taste test and let you know how I feel about it. Sips by boxes always come to you in these nice compact cardboard boxes, and then when you open up your box you will find a card inside, and that card tells you what box you've gotten. So for example, if you have the subscription monthly, you would have a April, June, July, August, etc. box. The specialty boxes have their own special cards in. This one is a specialty box for mom. It's called Moment for Mom. And then if you flip over the card on the back, you'll read at the top a nice little saying. It says, "As a mother, you are well versed in selflessness. Everything you do to care for your child and put them first is nothing short of heroic. Now it's time for you to be honored and appreciated for all that you do with a special Moment for Mom experience." Really, really nice. Also on the back of the card, it tells you the teas that are included in this box. You'll see that there is one called Organic Mother's Little Helper, and that's by DAVIDsTEA. It tells you how to steep the tea, tells you the ingredients, and also tells you the caffeine level. The next one is Enjoy Rest. That is by Teamotions. And then there's one called Unwind by Snarky Tea, and then also Tuscan Dreams by Fiori. And what I like about this box is all the teas are caffeine free. I'm a caffeine free lover and love that this box is kind of more of a relaxing tea box for mom. They also include a couple cards in the box. This first one is just a discount code for getting their regular monthly subscription. I think it's $5 off the first box, which is really a nice little gift. You can use that yourself or give it to someone else. And then they also have another card in here, which I thought was really cute. You turn it over and you will see its directions for using tea in your bath for a very relaxing
relaxing tea bath. I thought this was such a great idea. So it specifically tells you which tea to probably use for this. The tea they suggested was tea Fiori, because that one has more of a floral scent, and then your bath would have a beautiful floral scent to it. Really great gift. Now I'm going to go through the teas and show you exactly what I got in my box, and then I will taste test one of them. So in the box, because I do have some loose tea, Sips by always provides you with some reusable muslin cloth tea bags, which is really great in case you don't have, or the person you're giving the box to doesn't have something to put the loose tea in. And then I have a large loose packet of the Unwind tea by Snarky Tea. I also have a loose packet of the tea Fiori, the Tuscan Dreams tea. This is the one they suggest you use in the bath because it has a very floral scent to it. I have a large packet of loose tea, the Enjoy Rest tea by Teamotions. This one has apples, chamomile, and cinnamon in it. And I have a large packet of organic Mother's Little Helper tea by DAVIDsTEA. So I think I am going to pick for my tea to taste test the Teamotions Enjoy Rest tea. So let's get started. This was yummy as usual. This is a great gift to give for Mother's Day, especially if you have someone that loves teas. Give them a nice variety of teas they might not have tried before. I will leave a link to this specialty tea box down in my description box. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you, Sips by, for sending this to me. And I will also list any promo codes I have also down in my description box. Take care, guys. Bye-bye from Marla.